Are you ready to unlock the secret to reaching more viewers and making your content work harder for you? Well, you are in luck because today I am going to show you how to repurpose your Instagram live videos on YouTube. First things first, why should you even bother repurposing? Well, my friend, it's all about maximizing your outreach. When you repurpose your content, you are like a superhero, reaching out to more audiences and getting your message heard by the masses. It's a game changer. I'm about to reveal my secret sauce here, so pay close attention. I'm going to use one of my live videos from Instagram as an example. You can do this with any of your own epic Instagram lives too. Let's get into it. First, you need to download that awesome live video from Instagram. I love to use sssgram.com to download my IG live. Now that the video is downloaded, it's time to bring out the big guns. CapCut. CapCut, my trusty sidekick, is going to help us repurpose like a pro. It is a super cool platform where you can work your magic and turn your live video into something even more eye-catching. Alright, so now I'm already on the CapCut and uploaded the IG live. So if you see on the canvas over here, this is on the size of the IG live. So what you need to do is to make sure you edit the size of the canvas to be the same size as a YouTube video. So that would be the landscape size. Okay, how to change the landscape size is to go under the ratio at the bottom here and change it into 16:9, which is the landscape size. You will see that there's a black color at both sides of the screen. So what I like to do is I would like to edit the first portion of the video first. This is actually an interview video with Syuk. I think I did this 3 years back during the COVID. If you notice that it's actually divided into two screens, right? One at the top and one at the bottom. I will split this and delete the first portion. If you are not sure how to use the CapCut, you can actually click the link at the top here. I've already linked it up how to edit your videos like a pro using CapCut. Alright, so now I have this video, so I will duplicate this video and have it at the top and the bottom. So now is the fun part, the bottom layer. I will crop it, okay, adjust the size of the IG live itself. So click on this icon and you crop to the first picture or the first video, which is at the top, which is in this video it will be me. So I crop this, and then the one that's layer at the top, I will also crop it and only leave Syuk at one side. So now after you have cropped it, you will have each individual layer. One is my guest and one is myself. Now you see that it's overlapping each other, right? So what you do is, if you look at the side here, it's actually resized to 53%. So let's change it to 50. And the bottom also change it to 50. So what I like to do is I will move the two different videos side by side. And probably I just keep it a gap in between. You can also change the background canvas to a different color. You can also make it such a way that it's a background of your video itself. So what I like is I like to change to my corporate color. And then you can do a lot of things on this particular CapCut platform. You can then add in text. Alright, what I like is I will add in some effects where it can do a little bit of advanced in a sense that you can add in the name of your guests or your name and what your guests do, or probably add in the text of this particular section. So maybe this live is about networking as an introvert. Oh, what's an introvert, by the way? So I have this as a title. Okay, then probably I just change what I want to change in terms of the text, and I also change the color of the text itself. So let's say I want to have this, and all I need to do is just to bring this out. Okay, stretch it out for the text and bring this up to the top. So for example, the first start of the video, you want to have some kind of animation to the video or to maybe the text itself. So all you need to do is just click on the text, and then you can do an animation at the side here, and you then can add in whatever animation that you want to add in. So let's say I want to add in, okay, probably this wipe up. Okay, wipe up. I'm gonna play this video. You will notice that the text itself is gonna have an animation of wipe up. So you can add in a lot of things. You can also add in, for example, my name and probably the text like this, and then the size will be like that. Okay, and I will extend this again, and I will duplicate this and make it available for Syuk as well. And I bring this over here. Okay, and then I also want to add in animation for the name also. Okay, probably I want to add in as type in, but I only want to appear just slightly after the networking as an introvert. So what I do is I will add in the animation at Syukri's name and my name as well. So you see, it's actually playing, or is the animation appears after the networking as introvert as the title appear, and then I will have the name as well at the bottom. And what I like about CapCut also, you not only can do a lot of designs on your canvas, you can also add in captions. Really beautiful, because you don't have to go out of CapCut to do your caption. You just have to go under the text again, and there's an auto captions over here. Okay, you can create and just wait for a while until it helps you do the auto captions. Depending on the length of the video, it will take a while, and once you have that, you can then edit the text, the font, the color, where the position is that you want for the caption itself. Alright, I'm gonna show you if, like, for example, maybe 15 minutes into the video, or maybe like 2 to 3 minutes into the video, you want to change a little bit of the layout. All you need to do is just split the video. Okay, maybe you just want to have like a few minutes of that video to be a different kind of layout. So you split front and back. And maybe for the name, you don't have to do everything. I can just delete this. It's only appearing at this portion. So this part of the video, right, for both myself and Syukri, I want it to be slightly different. Syukri is going to be a bigger size because he's actually talking, right? So I want it to focus on him. And then for me, I will be at the side here and probably smaller. And then, okay, probably I'll just move here at the bottom. Usually, I use mouse for this, but I'm actually using my mouse pad, so it's a little bit wonky in terms of movement. Okay, and then the text, I want it to be at the side. So all I need to do is I will move the layout like this, and I want to change the alignment, and I want to be like this. There's a lot of things that you can do with the layout itself. But of course, if you want to change the text, right, you must also remember to cut here as well. You need to cut that portion first before you edit. If not, it will become like this. After you move from this kind of layout, and then it will move to the other portion, you will notice that the text is still on that side. So for example, you have already edited all these things. You want to add in maybe music or sound effect. Then you can start to export the video. You can change the title, where you want to export to, and the video resolution that you want to upload into YouTube. Okay, usually I will go for 1080p. So once you export the video, you are done, and you can straight away upload into your YouTube. Can you believe it? It actually started out as an Instagram live. Now it's ready to conquer YouTube and win a whole lot new audience. How awesome is that? So my fellow content creators, remember, repurposing is the name of the game. Don't let your amazing Instagram lives get lost in the dark. Give them a second life on YouTube and let the world enjoy your brilliance. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and entertaining. If you did, smash that like button and and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. In the meantime, watch this video and learn how to add video chapters to your next video. See you in the next one. First things first, why should you even bother one more time? I terlanggar the microphone. Okay.